it's Amy and welcome to my backyard. Have you ever thought about what being healthy really means? For me and maybe you, it's not about fitting into old jeans or running marathons. It's about being able to do the things that we love, like playing with our kittens or grandkids, gardening without aches and pains and traveling, or simply waking up with enough energy to enjoy the day. Today, I'm sharing how you can stay healthy enough to enjoy life's best moments. And here's the secret. It's not about New Year's resolutions or quick fixes. It's about creating long-term healthy habits that make life easier, better, and a whole lot more fun.
Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have just a few simple strategies to get started. Plus, I'm going to send you an invite to a workshop I'm having where we'll create a plan tailored just for you. Let's start by getting clear on your why. Ask yourself these questions. What do I want to stay healthy enough to do? What makes me feel alive, happy, and fulfilled? Maybe it's being able to pick up your grandkids without pain, or spending hours in the garden without worrying about your knees, or hiking on your next vacation with confidence. Whatever your why is, keep it front and center. When you connect your health goals to something meaningful, staying motivated becomes so much easier.
Okay, go away airplanes. You're messing up my sound.
The next step is to start small. If you want to build strength for gardening or playing with your grandkids, begin with just 5 minutes of exercise. If energy is your goal, focus maybe on drinking a glass of water in the morning before coffee. Tiny changes might not seem like much, but they add up. Over time, these small, consistent steps become habits that stick. And when they stick, they transform your health without feeling overwhelming. Here's why I'm not a fan of New Year's resolutions. They're short term. I know so many people, and I was one of them, that on January 1st, I start really strong, but by February, life gets busy and resolutions get tossed aside. Does that sound familiar? Focus on building habits that will last. Want more energy? Create a habit of going to bed 30 minutes earlier. Want stronger bones? Commit to 2, just 2 strength workouts a week. Want to move more? Pair a 5-minute walk with your morning coffee. These habits aren't about perfection. They're about showing up consistently. Life has a funny way of throwing us curveballs, am I right? You might get busy with family, feel under the weather, or just not feel like working out. That's okay. It doesn't mean you're failing. It means you're human. Here's a couple tips to help stay on track. Too tired for your workout? Take 2 minutes, the length of a song, to dance around your living room. Forget to drink your water? Double up a little bit later. Didn't eat as well as you wanted? Focus on your next meal, not yesterday's. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about making progress one small step at a time. Healthy habits are really so much easier when you're not doing it alone. Find a buddy, join an online group, or connect with a community like the Be Healthy Enough membership. Having support can keep you motivated and make the journey more fun. And if you want extra guidance, don't miss my habit setting workshop. Together, we're going to create personalized plans to help you stay healthy enough to do what you love in 2025 and beyond. So let's recap. Staying healthy enough to enjoy your grandkids, travel, gardening, and more isn't about quick fixes or even those resolutions. It's about finding your why, taking small steps, building lasting habits, and giving yourself grace along the way. What's your why? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what inspires you to stay healthy. And don't forget to sign up for my habit setting workshop. It's a chance to create a plan that works for your life, your goals, and your dreams.
Click the link in the description below to join me, and it happens to be that you've missed the workshop date. Sign up anyway, and I'll send you the replay. If you like these tips, give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for more tips to help you move better, feel better, and thrive in this second half of life. See you next time.